finally the parts are in for the PE today. So that's what we're gonna start on. Next is the IT, because Ben has been bugging me to get some of these units rolling so we can actually go for little rips after work. So let's start by getting the PE in the shop today, since got all the parts in for it. We'll got that thing ready to rip, chain, tires, a couple other things. It'll be good to go for a ride here. Oh, you're on.
Yeah, should work.
Things go bad.
This is how it happens.
where are we at on the IT? No, sorry, where are we at on the PE? So it's got a brand new back tire on it because she was a little bit slidey. It's got that brand new chain on her, all tension set and everything. So this was one of the things I was straightening out. This chain guide was bent to shit. I think that may have been one of the reasons the chain just blew right off of her. But we got a new chain on her now. It's happy. The rear brakes I tightened up, but they're maxed out. So it definitely could use a set of brakes in the back. I had to build a couple chain guide pieces, stiffened up the shocks a little bit, front and rear, so it's not as bouncy. Still pretty springy. So whatever, it is what it is. Seal up the airbox a little better so she won't take on so much water. There you have it. I think that's where we're at on this thing. Is actually ready to ride as it sits. And next is the IT, and we got tires for that sitting right here. Brand new set of tires. Got them Fortnine for really cheap. I think I paid like 40 bucks a tire, if that. Maybe it wasn't even that much. Got them on sale. The enduro tires, because we are enduro guys from the 70s. So there you have it. Just a quick update video of this. I'm gonna work on getting the headlight working and find a tail light, because the frame has been broken off right here. So ain't nothing left there for this fender. The seat is literally what keeps the fender on, so don't take the seat off because your fender will fall off. Yeah, that's all I got for this video. Quick update. And Ben has been bugging the absolute crap out of me to get his IT going, and I've got the PE going today because my stuff's more important than his. I think that was everything. Straighten out some bent parts, replace some others, and build other ones yet. That's all I got. Bye, everybody.